Well, hello, Robbie. Would you like to be in this video? Meet Robbie. Sup? I'm Robbie. He's so big and fat and fluffy. I love this cat. So today I have something. Oh wait, I forgot my coffee. Okay, so now that I have my coffee, I am gonna be rating Coachella outfits because I think it's just so fun to look at Coachella outfits, and obviously I'm not there right now. I've never been to Coachella, but it's one of those things that, like, I think, you know, like if I go, I will most likely end up hating it, but also all of my favorite YouTubers and just people I follow on the internet are always going to Coachella every year. That's just the hype. I can't help but just want to go one time just to see what it's like, you know? I just want to experience it, and then we'll see what Hannah thinks about Coachella, because I've been to Bonnaroo and it was insanely just exhausting. Granted, like, we camped there, but I think the most entertaining part about Coachella is truly the outfits. That shit, everyone just goes all out, you know, and it's just, sometimes it's a little too much, and I'm gonna try to be as honest as I can today. And I know it's only the 14th, so like I think it's just the first week of Coachella just ended like today. Why not just, I don't know, I didn't know what to film today, honestly. And also, disclaimer, like, I'm not saying that I have like the best fashion sense or like I know everything. Like, this is literally just my personal opinion. Obviously I have my certain style, and you guys might look at me right now and not like my style, so right off the bat we might not agree with, you know, rating people's outfits, but this is just my opinion. Take everything I say with a grain of salt, in other words. So first, I'm basically just gonna look over and rate the celebs who went to Coachella. Okay, Haley Baldwin. Oh, sorry guys. I just saw that come from a mile away, you know? Okay, this is Haley Baldwin. I am not mad at this outfit. It is like a whole jean on jean look, so I see what she's doing there. I mean, I like it. It definitely looks wearable and easy for walking around all day at Coachella. She got her shades, that's good, you need those. Okay, I do really like her shoes though. They're high top Vans with a little checkered band around them, and I really like that, honestly. I would give this, I don't know, when it comes to like creativity and like, ooh, wow, like she really put thought into that, it's not that impressive. So I'm gonna go for like a 7. I think that's fair. So our girl Kendall Jenner over here just took on the whole white vibe. She's got all white on. And then she has these kind of like heels. Ooh, I see what she's doing. She's doing like a whole vintage kind of look. It's like a very mix of vintage, maybe 20s. Definitely like her belt and the shorts give it a more modern twist. But then at the top there, where it comes around her neck and there's a bow, that definitely gives me vintage vibes. I like that mix. I think it definitely looks like out of the box. I do give that some points. I've never seen anything like that, and that's interesting. She also looks like she has a lot of pockets on those shorts, so I can always dig the pockets, especially if I'm walking and I don't want to carry a bag all day. Like, just give me like 10 pockets on each leg and I will be fine for like the next week. I will just wear the shorts and not, because then I won't have to carry a purse. Yeah, that's just great. I bet she has everything in those. And then the belt gives me kind of like 90s 2000s vibes. I would give this an 8 because I personally wouldn't wear it. Like, I'm not personally drawn to it, but I do think that it's really nice and functional, and it's also, I've never seen anything like it before, so it is pretty like interesting. I don't know, it's its own piece of art. Okay, Emily Ratajkowski. Dude, my sister literally posted a really cute pic on her Instagram. She tagged her dress, which was from Emily's brand, and Emily literally liked the picture and she freaked out, and I freaked out. I was like, oh my god, that's so cool, dude. So she is mixing these two classic prints, and I don't personally know how I feel about that. She's mixing the cheetah print with the red snakeskin boots. I honestly love her bathing suits and I love her line and everything, but I don't like this outfit. I'm sorry, but this is like gonna be a lower rating. I think that this is like a I'm sorry, I'm just gonna have to give it a 5. I feel like she could have done better. Okay. Ooh, Gigi girl, queen, yes. Love the color combination. I love just like, I love anything really colorful and it's just like groovy. Okay, she's got the Doc Martens, it looks like, with this very like islandy, oh my gosh, I didn't even like see this awesome detail on the skirt. And she's also wearing a body chain, and she's got that little backpack that's super handy to have. Dude, I really like this. Okay, Gigi. This is more like along the lines of something I would find myself wearing at a festival. I don't know, it's very like sexy, but at the same time it's like abstract and artsy. So it's not like your eyes immediately drawn to, you know, the sex appeal of it. It's more like, oh damn, like she looks like a walking piece of art. And then like you kind of look more and you can see like the slits down the thighs. And I love the little grunge edition with the Docs, and I think that's an excellent shoe choice for walking around in Coachella. Yes, girl. And just look at her beautiful self. Okay, one thing I might want to say is I don't know how I feel about this like belt, this shell belt she had like over the waist. I think she could have chosen a cuter belt, maybe to tie it with the Docs more. Just because of that, I would give it a 9 out of 10. I am seeing now that Kylie Jenner also went with the jean on jean look. Let's just talk about this. Let's just talk about it. Okay, you know what? I love me a bucket hat. First of all, I'm just gonna start with the good stuff. I like bucket hats. I feel like she's going for a modest mommy artsy vibe look. It gives me very like, it gives me like clown vibes, and like, I hate to say it, but it just, I don't think it does anything for her. And of course, I mean, like, I know she's a mom, like she's taken obviously, so it's not like she's trying to appeal a lot, and I respect that. I respect her for wearing stuff like this, because this is like, it's out there. But I mean, she's Kylie Jenner, you know, she can wear any and whatever she wants. I do think she looks comfy. You know what? The more I'm looking at this, the more I'm actually not that mad. I just think she could have done better, but that's just me personally. So I'm gonna give Kylie Jenner's outfit for Coachella in this picture I'm gonna give her a 6. I don't know, I feel like she's done better outfits in the past for Coachella. I think I kind of just want to move on to social media stars. So let me just move her to Instagram. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the girlies that are around my age that I love to watch on YouTube. Okay, so I know my girl Ava Jules is there. My girl Ava Jules, I love her. She's so cute. I love her fit in this. I think she took the simple route, but it's very cute because she did the monochromatic kind of look. Like she has a baby pink skirt on. The top might be matching, but I can't really tell in this if it might be just like a white top, but that is still cute. And I like that she has the thick Doc Martens with like the ribbon ties. I think that's a really simple but trendy fit, you know? Okay, we have to talk about Ellie Thurman's outfit from day 2. This is so freaking cute. This is definitely something I would wear. I realized I forgot to rate Ava's. I would have given that a 9 out of 10. And this is definitely another 10 out of 10 in my opinion. I think she looks so good. I love how she has the glitter all over her face. She just looks so freaking good. I love those shorts. I love the little things hanging off of them, little detailing. I love her necklace. So good. She went the golden goddess look route, and I can envision myself doing a look like this if I were going to go to Coachella, so 10 out of 10. She's just so beautiful. Hannah Maloshi or Maloke. Guys, I'm so sorry I don't know how to pronounce her name, and I think I've said her name in one of my videos in the past, and someone got on me in the comments about how I said it, but she honestly kills it. The glasses, so good. It's just so hot. This outfit is so good. I'm speechless. Why are these YouTubers better at dressing than celebrities? Her day 1 outfit, okay, the only reason why this isn't a 10 for me is because I know I've seen this print before a million times, I feel like, on different things, and it just like, it kind of just wore it out for me. But I love the concept of it. Like, I love that she's wearing the hat with it, and I love the 2-piece patterned concept. And I'm sure that makes her booty look real good, sis. So glowy and beautiful. I would give that last one an 8 out of 10 just because I feel like it could have been a more unique and authentic pattern. But day 2 girl, what about like Liza Koshy? Oh Oh my god. Aiden Alexander comments, this is like the final evolution of some badass Pokemon. Dude, this is really wild, and I know that Liza Koshy just saw this and was like, put it on me. She makes it look so good here. She is serving cowgirl looks. Oh, this outfit though, guys, I am living. Okay, this is amazing. This is beautiful. Look at those boots. I am not one for cowboy boots or cowgirl boots, but these boots, they are literally holographic. It looks like she has some type of sheer layer over a like bra type of top, and the belt, bitch. Oh, and the shorts. Oh my god. Liza, what have you done to me? Liza's coming for us all, dude. Okay, what about Sarah Baska? I love that girl. Okay. This is very Sarah Baska style. Like, it's very her. She looks honestly pretty casual, but also really cute and artsy, you know? She always has that like laid back hippie girl vibe, in my opinion. I love her yellow glasses. I love the top that she's wearing. It looks like it has cute straps, and then she has the ultra ripped jeans. And girl, like, I feel that, like, if I'm gonna wear jeans to Coachella, they're gonna be ripped as fuck because you need that airflow out there. It's like boiling, right? Shit. I would give this outfit an 8 out of 10. I don't know, it's just not as, doesn't live up to the hype of Coachella outfits, you know? It's not really that oomph, you know? Is that, I don't know, guys. I hope you're understanding me. I love she was wearing these thick Doc Martens with the jean shorts showing some leg. I love the face gems on her face, and I love the braids coming down on both sides. Goddess vibes. This outfit can get an 8 from me too. Maybe I'm just biased. I love Sarah Baska, so what about a guy? What about like David Dobrik? Should have known. Just plain old black shirt, and it looks like he might be wearing some shorts with some kind of pattern on them. And why is he on Natalie's shoulders? Oh my gosh. Damn. That is a strong woman right there. She looks good. Shit. Oh my god, Jeff in the background. Who is on his, oh, what a tee. And with that dude's hat in the background. Damn. Where can I get one of those? Look at Scotty's legs. Damn, dude. I admire that, you know? What about Tana Mojo? Oh, wow. Oh yeah, I forgot she's dating that dude that looks just like Justin Bieber. That is some hardcore look right there. Okay, honestly, I can't do the like window ass look, you know? Like your shorts just disappear just where your ass cheeks are, and then they're right under your ass. Like, I don't know, I just don't vibe with that look. It looks like an ass window. Yeah, she is definitely going all out. You know, she gives no fucks, so. Why does David Dobrik's head in this look like it's like photoshopped, like floating over his body? Okay, I'm not mad at how it looks in the front. I do kind of like the star like nipple top, but it's also just like, I honestly would give her outfit a 7. Okay, guys, I think that is it for today. I've already been filming for quite some time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't make anyone mad or offended. I definitely didn't mean to. I have respect for all of those people that I just talked about, and we can just take these things lightly, right? It's just materials. If you enjoyed it, definitely let me know what your favorite part was down below, and give it a thumbs up. It would definitely help me out a lot. And yeah, I love you guys. And I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you are, and